As we all know, the pandemic impacted people in countless ways. In fact, we're only just now getting a better idea of the severity of those effects. Today, local advocacy groups shared new data showing how renters in Arkansas are still being impacted years later, especially when it comes to evictions. Tonight, THV 11's Jalissa Garza gives us a look at their findings.
Since 2018, Arkansas Renters United, a group that's part of Arkansas Community Organization, has been working to make sure renters in this state have their voices heard.
It's heartbreaking, because we don't have rights.
Advocates with the group say evictions have been a big problem.
Close to 800 evictions a month? That's outrageous.
They've been tracking just how many evictions have happened in the last 2 years. According to their findings, a lot of renters were using more than 30% of their income to pay their rent in 2019. But that became harder to maintain once the pandemic hit.
With people losing work or having their hours cut, with the difficulty accessing unemployment benefits.
While courts were able to delay evictions in some cases, advocates say too many are still happening.
From January 2nd through August 31st, the average number of evictions per month is 744.
Neil Seeley with the group says a big part of the problem is people weren't able to challenge their cases.
Most tenants don't have legal representation. Most tenants do not know about the 5-day window.
On top of that, the group says the state's eviction laws are some of the least forgiving in the country.
There are people who are being jailed and fined for failure to appear, failure to pay. We have seen judges issue no contact order between a tenant because under failure to vacate, you can't expel the tenant.
They just hope that continuing to provide what they find will help create change.
As long as we living and we can move, we're going to keep fighting.
In Little Rock, Jalissa Garza, THV 11 News.